Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Imagine biting into a sandwich that's a perfect blend of crunchy, creamy, and flavorful. A sandwich that's not just any sandwich, but a chicken Kudou sandwich. Picture this, a hearty sandwich filled with perfectly grilled chicken slices, layered between a soft, toasted bread roll. Each bite is a harmony of textures, the crispness of the bread contrasting beautifully with the tender chicken. Now think of the flavors. The chicken, seasoned to perfection, carries a slight smoky note from the grill. It's complemented by the tangy and slightly spiced Kudou sauce, a crucial ingredient that gives the sandwich its unique taste. This sauce, a blend of rich, savory flavors, is what sets the chicken Kudou sandwich apart from any other sandwich you've ever tasted. But that's not all. Paired with the Kudou sauce is a dollop of creamy mayonnaise, adding a smooth, cool layer to the mix. Fresh tomato slices add a sweet, juicy element, while thin slices of red onion bring a subtle sharpness that cuts through the richness. And let's not forget the lettuce, providing a refreshing crunch with each bite. The sandwich is finished with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, heightening the flavors and tying everything together. Now imagine all these ingredients coming together in one sandwich. The softness of the bread, the smoky tenderness of the chicken, the tangy kick of the Kudou sauce, the creaminess of the mayonnaise, and the crisp, fresh vegetables, all layered together, creating a symphony of flavors and textures in your mouth. The chicken Kudou sandwich is more than just a meal, it's an experience. It's a journey through a variety of tastes and textures, each bite revealing something new and exciting. It's a testament to the power of simple ingredients when combined with care and attention to create something truly extraordinary. Doesn't that sound tantalizing? Now, let's dive into the process of making this mouth-watering sandwich. The first step is to mix the Kudou sauce and mayonnaise in a small bowl until well combined. This combination of flavors will give your chicken Kudou sandwich a unique and unforgettable taste. Now let's move on to the chicken. We have 2 grilled chicken breasts here, thinly sliced. We're going to heat up a pan and toss these slices in. Season them with just a pinch of salt and pepper. The secret here is to cook until they are golden brown on both sides. This will give your sandwich that extra crunch and a burst of flavor. While our chicken is sizzling, we can't forget about our bread. We're using a burger bun or sandwich bread, cut into 2 halves. You can use whichever you prefer. We're going to toast these halves right on the same pan until they're golden and crispy. This not only gives our bread a nice crunch, but it also absorbs all those delicious flavors from the chicken. Now, it's time for the fun part, assembling our sandwich. Take the 2 halves of our toasted bread and spread our prepared sauce on each half. This sauce is the soul of the sandwich, so don't be shy to slather it on. Let's start with the bottom half. Lay the golden brown chicken slices on the bread, ensuring every bite will have a piece of chicken. Next, we add the sliced tomatoes. Their slight acidity will balance out the richness of the sauce and chicken. Then, we layer on the thinly sliced red onions for a little bite and crunch. And of course, no sandwich is complete without some fresh lettuce. This will give our sandwich a refreshing crunch and a pop of vibrant color. Finally, we top it all off with the other half of the bread, sauce side down. Press it gently to make sure everything stays together. And there you have it, a delicious chicken Kudou sandwich ready to enjoy. This sandwich is not just a meal. It's a gastronomic journey, a harmony of flavors, and a tribute to the art of sandwich making. So go ahead, take a bite, and let the journey begin. The beauty of this sandwich is that you can customize it to your liking. The Kudou sauce is the traditional choice, but there's a world of flavors waiting to be explored. How about a sweet and smoky barbecue sauce? Or if you're a fan of garlic, a robust garlic sauce can add a punch of flavor. For those who like a bit of heat, a hot pepper sauce can bring a nice kick to your sandwich. A creamy and refreshing ranch sauce could be another great option. Or, if you're in the mood for an Eastern twist, tahini sauce can offer a unique and distinctive taste. The possibilities are virtually endless, so don't be afraid to mix and match, try different combinations, and choose the sauce that tickles your palate. Remember, the key is to experiment and discover new flavors. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking. Happy sandwich making!